everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Consider subscribing if you will love to enjoy unboxing, haul, product review, home decor and more. In today's video I just want to share with you guys this unboxing, something that I always want to purchase from Chanel. It is one of the 21st Chanel stud earrings, and I really was looking for something like this, and I'm very happy that I was able to get it. Actually, my CA sent me one time a picture of that, and I told him that I love those, but I really want to purchase first one of the Chanel stud earring plain, and then when I was ready to purchase the one that he sent me the picture of, they didn't have it available anymore anywhere, only a few in the Chanel store in Hawaii. So he was able to order for me, I was able to get it, and I'm very happy about that. I'm gonna show you guys right now which one it is. This is the box right here. This is how nice it comes. I really like it, but for some reason it don't have the Chanel Camellia, but I guess they're wrong. I don't know, but it's very nice. It's very tight in there. I remember, I think the only product that I received just like that was when I purchased my Chanel my classy card holder. It comes just like that. So I'm gonna lift this. Let me put it like this so I can lift it. Okay, so here is the receipt, the return receipt and everything, and the return label just in case. This is it. And we have this cute little box right here. Let me get it close so you guys. Okay. So we have it right here. It's so cute. Let's see. And we open it like this, and this is the care book. So this is it. They look so pretty. Let me see. This is how they look. They pretty big. They look so pretty. So all around here in the edge, I don't know if you guys can see it, they have some crystals, which in the light made them very, very sparkle. So I'm gonna try it on so you guys have. Let me take this one off
so you guys can see how they look like.
This is what they look in the back. They have this stamp right here in the bottom, very small, and it say I can see it, they too small. This is I love it. That's exactly how I want them. And wow, they so light that it feel like I don't have anything in my ears. hanging in there. So let's see. They pretty good size. Wow, I love it. So this very sparkly in the light. They not heavy at all, so light that, like I say, I feel like I don't have anything on my ears. They feel very, very, very light. I just love it. They have like a beige color, like a brown. In the description of this, it says something about pink, but I think it's more like beige. I'm gonna leave you the number just in case you're interested, in case you wanna look for it when you see it. But I can believe, like I say, my CA sent me the picture of this one, and like a week later I asked for it, say it's sold out everywhere, absolutely everywhere. But they have only a few in Hawaii, so he had to order from Hawaii. Oh, it's called, the color is, I'm gonna leave it, the color name right here, but actually over here say NC560-door/rose crystals. So metal and brass. So they crystals and they call like rose, but it's really like beige color in between. And I love how defined is the CC. I just love it. Over here don't do justice, but in the light it sparkles so much that is so beautiful, and they don't have big stone or big crystal that can fall off. So they're so tiny that even if any fall out, nobody will be able to notice. But this is what they look like. I just love it. Love it, love it.